Because of my dad's job, we moved around quite a bit. You learn to not be as judgmental of people and places. I think that really helped to shape my curiosity and my openness to learning about people.
Can we get some more information about what owls look like?
My classroom is a place where students have a chance to succeed. I want them to not be perfectionists. I want them to be explorers. Sort of take away this curiosity and this ability to connect to the other things that they're learning as they grow up, because they are capable little humans. I want them to be good stewards of their materials and the gifts that we've been given here at DA. I want them to struggle. I want them to make mistakes, and I want them to push through that in the end. I love children, and I'm really excited to be here